Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In my first part of this video, I have shown you how you can reset your password. In this video, I will show you how you can send mail in localhost using Sendmail. So, let's get started. First of all, search Sendmail Glob on Google. Click on this first link. You have to download Sendmail setup from this site. You can also download it from the link given in my description. After downloading this, extract it, and put it in your Xampp folder. Now, open this folder, and open this sendmail.ini file. Search Xampp Server. Change this to smtp.gmail.com. SMTP port to 465, SMTP SSL to SSL. Remove the semicolon from here, and set its value to localhost. You can uncomment this, for debugging purpose. Enter the username and password of the Gmail account from which you want to send mails. I am entering my Gmail username and password here. Now go to bottom, and set this to localhost. Now, restart your Xampp. Now go to this directory and open php.ini file. You can also open php.ini file from here. Search mail function. You can also put your Gmail username here, if you want to, but this is not necessary. Now to access sendmail.exe, you have to put its path here. Copy your Sendmail folder directory from here. Uncomment it and paste it here under double quotes. Add sendmail.exe with these two parameters. Uncomment this. Set this to on. Uncomment it. Now, restart your Xampp. Make sure these three options are checked. You can check them from here. Now go to forgot password and .php file. Let's write the code to send the mail. Put this message in a variable called msg. Add your forms folder URL before this reset.php. Copy the URL of your form from here. You have to set URL like this. This is my folder name, in which I have put my form. Change this char set to UTF-8. Remove this, if you want to send only this message. Now, let's check our code on browser. I am sending mail on this ID. As you can see, I have got mail on this email ID. Now, let's reset the password. So this is it for today. Hope you liked and learned something from this. If you do, Then hit a like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.